India.
Stockholm in Sweden.
From Serbia.
Slovenia.
Brazil.
Germany.
From Perugia.
Toronto, Canada.
I come from Macedonia.
We're creating a new kind of a tourist agency.
It's about sending people to unknown.
To establish a better relationship. Our idea is simply about stress relief.
It's a shell that you yell into. It's a Zen thing.
Our idea is about a smart fridge.
That would tell you what you have in your fridge all the time.
Our idea is to use a robot to fertilize the crops in the vineyards.
We would like to build houses out of industrial hemp.
Our idea is about related to new trash cans which can squeeze the plastic bottles.
We are Amedimat and we are excited to come to Milan. We are tougher and we are excited to go to Milan.